Stop using the filter icon in Excel. Use this instead. Let's say that you want to filter this table by the department column so that you can only view the accountants. Well, if you use the drop down arrow to do so I'll click on it, click here, select accounting, click OK, you'll notice that my original table goes away. Now, if I want to be able to filter my table but leave the original one there also, you need to use the filter function. Here's how. First, I'm going to click on a blank cell, type equals, and then I'll type filter, and then type an open parentheses, and then for the first argument, the array, I'm going to select my entire table. So I could go ahead and click on the top left cell, press Ctrl Shift right arrow, down arrow to select this table. Then I can type a comma, and then for the next argument, include, I'm going to type my condition, what I want to filter by. Well, in our case, we want to filter the department column, so I'll go ahead and select the department column, and then we'll say it's equal to accounting in quotes so that it only takes the accountants into consideration and filters everything out. I'll type another comma. You can specify what you want to display. In case the cell is empty, I'll go ahead and just leave it alone by pressing a backspace, close off my parentheses, press enter. I'll go ahead and adjust these column widths, and now we have a perfectly filtered table by accounting as well as our original table over here. And of course, you can always copy and paste your headers as well and adjust your column headers too. And that way you have both table views. Alright, that's it. Looking to save more time in Excel? Comment Excel and I'll DM you my 26 need to know Excel shortcuts cheat sheet.